Good morning, children. It's Friday, a happy day. So, I welcome you all in today's GK class. How are you all? I hope you all are having a great time at home. So, today our topic is about festivals. Yes, celebration time. It's time to celebrate. Time to celebrate. This is our chapter. So today I'm going to tell you about celebrations, the festivals, party time. Yeah. So it's time to celebrate. Don't worry, today is not Diwali. I am just showing you the ways we celebrate our festivals. Festival is such a vibrant word. After hearing this word, a lot of things come in our mind, like lights, like good food, new clothes, sweets, gifts. Wow! So it's time to celebrate. We celebrate our festivals with firecrackers, with lights, with colors. Wow, lot of colors. With sweets, with mithais, new clothes, with smile on our face. So children, this is how we celebrate our festivals. So today in our class we will discuss festivals of India. Let's celebrate all these festivals together. This is a famous festival, happens in India. बच्चों, आज हम भारत के ऐसे त्योहारों के बारे में बात करेंगे जो हमारे भारत के बहुत फेमस फेस्टिवल्स हैं. So let's see. Chhath. Chhath is a festival unique to Bihar, Jharkhand, उत्तर प्रदेश एंड नेपाल. छठ एक ऐसा त्यौहार है जो दिवाली के 6 डेज़ बाद मनाया जाता है. ये भारत के बिहार, झारखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश और नेपाल में मनाया जाता है. छठ इज़ अ हिंदू फेस्टिवल and this puja is dedicated to sun and Chhath Devi. ये पूजा सूर्य भगवान के सामने की जाती है और इसमें छठ देवी की पूजा होती है. Lot of people keep fast. They make mithais and celebrate the festival. Now the next festival. Children, we are discussing festivals of India. You all must be knowing that India is a country of different cultures, variety of cultures. We are blessed. So we are discussing today festivals of India. We have just discussed one festival called Chhath. Now Onam. Onam is a harvest festival celebrated in Kerala. And people say Happy Onam. Onam festival. Can you all see? Females are making rangolis and they make good food. Just have a look. Now this is a boat race, children, which happens at the time of Onam. During Onam, lot of games played, and this is one of the famous snake boat race. ये snake boat race ओनम फेस्टिवल के ड्यूरिंग होती है. This is the competition. A famous snake boat race. ये सिर्फ ओनम फेस्टिवल के टाइम होती है. You all can see a long boat. This is a snake boat race जो ओनम के समय होती है. Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa. Another festival happens in Maharashtra and Goa. See the change. अभी हम साउथ में थे, अब हम महाराष्ट्र में आ गए हैं. Gudi Padwa is a springtime festival. It is celebrated in Maharashtra and Goa to mark the beginning of the new year according to Hindu calendar. महाराष्ट्र और गोवा के लोग हिंदू कैलेंडर के अकॉर्डिंगली न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, और इस दिन को वो गुड़ी पाड़वा में सबको ग्रीट करते हैं. On the festive day, people make rangoli, wear new clothes, and make delicacies like Puran Poli and Shrikhand. This is a Maharashtrian delicacy. Gudi Padwa. Right? सबसे पहले हम बिहार में थे, जहाँ हमने छठ मनाई. Then we came to Kerala, where we celebrated Onam, and in Maharashtra, Gudi Padwa. Ugadi, Karnataka. This festival is celebrated in Karnataka. Again, Ugadi is the New Year's Day for the state of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka in India. People visit temple and worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi. They enjoy while making rangolis and make lot of delicacies like Puran Poli, Ugadi Pachadi, etc. Ugadi आंध्र प्रदेश में मनाया जाने वाला त्योहार है. दिस इज़ अ रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल, और यह भी आंध्र प्रदेश के लोग न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए मनाते हैं. हिंदू कैलेंडर के हिसाब से हर स्टेट न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट करता है. Bohag Bihu is a festival celebrated in Assam. Bohag Bihu is again a harvest or sowing festival celebrated from April 15th to April 21 every year. It is the Assamese New Year and Spring Festival. So children, you all can see that different states celebrate different festival. Bohag Bihu. Can you see them dancing and enjoying? Now Lohri. Lohri is a popular winter Punjabi folk festival. Celebrate on 13th January every year. आप सब ने लोहड़ी के त्योहार के बारे में ज़रूर सुना होगा और मनाते भी होंगे. आइए देखें कैसे.
लोहड़ी. Kirat, Deep, come here. We are coming. Let us go, Ketan. It is time to celebrate Lohri.
What will we do there?
We will sit around bonfire.
But why?
It is Lohri today. Lohri is a popular festival of North India. It is celebrated with great zeal. Children go from door to door singing Lohri songs. They receive money and eatables.
Sounds exciting.
At night, people gather together. They sit around a big bonfire. They warm themselves. Some of them perform bhangra or gidda. Peanuts, til and popcorn are offered to the fire. Some people organize grand feasts. Temples and gurudwara are visited. Farmers offer food items to thank God for the good harvest.
Oh, I love this festival. Happy Lohri, everyone.
Happy Lohri everyone. वाओ. दुर्गा पूजा. पंजाब से हम सीधा आते हैं कोलकाता. पंजाब में लोहड़ी मनाने के बाद, बॉनफायर के आगे डांस करने के बाद हम आ रहे हैं कोलकाता. एंड वी वेलकम दुर्गा पूजा. इज़ अ फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड इन वेस्ट बंगाल. कैन वी हैव अ लुक? So children, see how Kolkata is celebrating Durga Puja. The dances, the आरती, माँ दुर्गा के दर्शन, सिंदूर खेला. See the
Puja
आरती.
celebration culminates on Vijayadashami. It is marked as the day when Ma Durga returns to her heavenly abode to her husband Lord Shiva after slaying the demon. Before she bids adieu to her father's home, married women perform Devi Boron, the sacred ritual which marks the final sending off of the goddess, followed by Shindur Khela, where married women smear shindur on each other while dressed in the traditional red and white saris. Shindur is also applied on Ma Durga while the women pray for their happy and long married lives.
Can you all see that? Did you all see how beautiful it is? कलकत्ता में होने वाली दुर्गा पूजा अपने आप में ही एक बहुत सुंदर त्यौहार है. ये नवरात्रों में विजयदशमी के टाइम मनाया जाता है और लास्ट डे माँ दुर्गा का विसर्जन किया जाता है. Let me show you something else. The famous संदेश, कोलकाता की फेमस संदेश मिठाई जो दुर्गा पूजा के टाइम बहुत चाव से खाई जाती है. द फेमस डेलिकेसीज, लुच्ची, द फेमस पूरी, खीर, भांग, मालछा भात और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो इस समय पर ख़ास त्यौहार के लिए बनाई जाती हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ दुर्गा पूजा, द फेमस वेस्ट बंगाल फेस्टिवल. Gangor is celebrated in Rajasthan. Married women worship goddess Parvati for longevity and good health of their husband. गंगोर का त्योहार राजस्थान में बहुत धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है. देखिए, जयपुर शहर में गंगोर का त्योहार कितने सुंदर तरीके से मनाया जा रहा है. The Gangor of Jaipur is famous all over the world. The ladies decorate their hands with mehendi, they keep fast, they make good food and do puja. See how they are celebrating Gangor is a famous festival of Rajasthan. Few minutes back we were in Kolkata and now in Rajasthan. Happy Pongal. Again, Happy Pongal, a harvest festival again. This festival of South India is mainly celebrated to thank to the sun god for giving energies towards agriculture. पोंगल का त्योहार तमिलनाडु में मनाया जाता है. इस त्योहार पर सभी लोग सूर्य भगवान का धन्यवाद करते हैं. They mainly celebrate this festival to thank to sun god. It comes every year on 14th January till 17th January. People specially make this rice dish called Pongal dish. इस फेस्टिवल पर ये स्पेशल पोंगल डिश राइस से बनाई जाती है. इसमें जैगरी, सैफरन, राइसिन्स, कैशूनट्स, बहुत सारे ड्राई फ्रूट्स और चीज़ें डालकर बनाया जाता है. दिस इज़ द फेमस डिश, पोंगल डिश. सी हाउ एवरीबडी इज़ मेकिंग पोंगल डिश. कैन यू ऑल सी? लेडीज़ आर मेकिंग and rangoli. They decorate their house by making rangolis. Children, you must have noticed that in India on every festival we make rangoli. On Diwali, on Holi, every time, every festival, Pongal, Onam, Gudi Padwa, हम सब अपने घरों के बाहर अपने घरों को रंगोली बनाकर रंगों से सजाते हैं. Now, national festivals. I know this is not mentioned in your book, but still I want to tell you as we are discussing different festivals of India. So children, you must know about national festivals. What are our national festivals? National festivals are Happy Independence Day. Independence Day is one of our national festival. National festival वो त्यौहार होता है जो पूरे देश में मनाया जाता है. So, Independence Day, 15th August is our national festival. Republic Day, 26th January is a national holiday. So this festival also celebrated all over India. Republic Day of India is our national festival. And the last, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi ji ka birthday 2nd October is a national festival. So we have 3 national festivals Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So this was the last slide of today's class, our national festival. We all should know about national festivals, and we discussed festivals of India. Tomorrow I will tell you about some international festivals celebrated around the world. All right, so we will discuss tomorrow international festivals. We'll see you soon. Till then, take care and God bless you.